So this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. I know I have unboxed this behind the scene already, but I just want to show you guys what you can expect if you should get this device. On the side here you have Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Flipping it around, nothing here, and on this side here you only have Samsung, and flipping it around again, here you have the device information and some specs. This is the 256GB variant with 12 gigs of RAM, and this is in the Phantom Black colorway, which is by far my favorite color on a smartphone today. As I said before, I have unboxed this already because I was eager to see this device, but I'm going to show you what came inside the box and all the accessories you get inside here. Removing the top cover, you're greeted with the device itself. And also you get your booklets and manual with instructions on how you can use and set up your device. If you ever run into any issues while setting up your device, you can always have these to help. And this comes with a USB Type-C to Type-C charger, and no power brick is included. So that's basically all you get inside the box, nothing else. I will be doing a full review on this device, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel with notifications on so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. And I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Peace.